the address has been put on the screen, student can write down that with the help of hot potatoes also they can put their ideas, they can put their thoughts online and can have the publication or authoring task most beneficially than the others. Next, fourth aspect is computer aided assessment. As I have mentioned earlier, the Socrative, I have added certain point of view, my own point of views as well. In case of, it has been written in 2002 and we have 14 years lapse in between. So I am adding the Socrative software as well as, that computer aided assessment, that is, Globe Arena in case of Dell we used earlier in case of Government of Gujarat. Next is publishing. Where to publish the writing? Blogspot, most obviously. And even if a student wants to publish it amongst the friends, Facebook is also very popular. Communicating, Yahoo, Gmail, WhatsApp, Facebook, communication is not the problem. Stimulation, Skype, Yahoo Messenger and video conferences. That can stimulate the discussion of the topic for the student and can make them realize the real worth of their knowledge. They can enjoy their learning with sharing it with simultaneously with the people all around them in the case of physical presence or virtual presence. Means ICT can be utilized in one or more than one way to make language acquisition more beneficial for the sake of students. Now, next thing that is possibly I must mention that Skype, how it can stimulate the language acquisition. Now, with the help of Skype, person of that one country can discuss the same topic with the person of another country. That means if you have a problem of finding a kind of particular accent in your language, if you discuss the same such topic with the person from the far away distance, the same such topic can be utilized for the sake of their own improvement in the accents. At the same time, you can have the kind of particular discussion upon the geographical, political and social aspect of the language acquisition and the problem that the language acquisition is finding in particular place. Say for example, in China, a kind of reservation about English language is far more stricter, or people in China are finding it more difficult to learn English language than in comparison of people of India. It may be their historical demerits of what we can say the reservation against the English language, or it may be a kind of political agenda not to take the foreign language as the language of their own official use. If we can interact with the help of Skype or other stimulators, such doubts, such hindrances of particular country can be discussed with the person. That means that story can make our own recognition of our own self more fruitful in comparison of others. Now, for the sake of language acquisition and its process, there can be multiple dimensions as the means of communication are emerging day by day. Students may be given more and more advantages to learn their language more perfectly, more usefully than other means of communication. Information, communication and technology is really blessing in the field of language acquisition. And at the same time, the teachers like us, all of us together, should make students acquire as much as communicational skills to utilize all these ICT tools to make the language learning process a kind of win-win game for us as well as for the students. It can make a kind of new generation more equipped with the language learning process than the language learning process had been ever experienced by our own society. In more than one way, I would say that we are having a kind of change of mode for language acquisition as we never had. In Morse law, as we could see that at the base there was something, but at the top of the discussion there was a kind of creativity. In the pyramid of Moore, it is creativity that leads the learning process more fruitfully. Means there cannot be any competition against the creativity. And today's tool of ICT leads us towards the perfect mode of creativity. And creativity can be utilized in more than one way in case of language acquisition. Let us move towards the next stage of presentation. Thanks a lot, friends. In the next lecture, we shall try to discuss about some other aspects of ICT in the case of language learning and language teaching. Thank you. Thank you all.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.